Hello everyone, this is Mark D with Bear Bull Traders, and I'd like to do my first video recap. I've been a member of the Bear Bull Traders community for almost 2 years now. I spent all of last year in Simulator, and I went live January 1st, and I've been trading live and in Sim since then. So I just want to go over my 2 trades for the day. The first one is an AMRN, and what I tried to do was take an opening range breakdown. I like this spinning top on the first 5 minutes. I was anticipating a break lower. My profit target was going to be this level right here on this day back in June, and I was risking VWAP here. So looking back, I didn't see any big bids lower, and I didn't wait for the break of the low of the day, which I definitely could have. This being so close to VWAP, it still would have been a good risk to reward just to wait and see if it was going to break. So it ended up not breaking, and I got stopped out in like about 30 seconds. 1 hour loss. It is what it is. The next trade was an MU, and what I noticed was the first 15 minutes was this huge indecision doji, and then it came down to previous day close once, twice, and 3 times. And I'd wanted to take it around right at previous day close, but when I saw that it broke, I thought it was just going to keep selling off, and I was watching other stuff, so I said, I'm not going to worry about it. It is what it is. And then I came back a couple minutes later, and I saw that even though it did break, it came right back up, and then Brian in the chat had gotten in, and I was like, crap, I missed the trade. So I wasn't going to worry about it because it's Friday, and things can be choppy on Friday. I didn't want to make some dumb trades just because I missed this trade, but what I ended up seeing was this candle right here on the 2-minute. I saw this huge buying pressure holding us up for the low of pre-market, and I thought, you know what? I don't think it's going to break this low right here. So I put my stop right here, and I just hopped right in. Looking back, I definitely could have waited, and this would have been a much better entry. Like right here, it came down, came back up. I could have actually added more here too, but I don't typically do that. What I do for my trades is I put in range orders. So this was my stop loss, and I do 3R range orders. So my profit target would have been up here at 45.34, and I just let it roll and I see what happens. So it never came back to the low. The lowest that it got here was 44.78. So it got about 4 cents to my stop, and then it ended up just climbing. And it climbed all the way up to this high of this day right here on 7:15. And when I saw it selling off on volume and the SPY was dropping too, I thought, you know what? I don't think it's going to go any higher, but I bet it'll probably come up and test this level at least one more time. So I just moved my range order down a little bit right here to 45.26. And I was lucky to get filled, but I didn't end up having to move it because it ended up running all the way up to $46. So it is what it is. I got 2.5 R on this trade. I lost 1 R on the first one, so 1.5 R for the day is a pretty good day for me, especially on a Friday. Thank you all for listening. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you.